Hi! This video will show how Recovery Manager Plus can help you analyze, view, and restore attribute changes made to AD objects without having to restart your domain controllers for the changes to take effect. Let's pretend we have a user, Paul, whose attributes have undergone quite a few changes. Most of them are valid changes, but some are incorrect. What we need to do is to evaluate the changes that have occurred to Paul's attributes and make sure those with the wrong values are restored to the correct value. To review the changes, we need to look in the Restore section under the Active Directory tab. In the Restore tab, Recovery Manager Plus has two different views through which you can see objects and their backups: the Simple Restore view and the Granular Restore view. The Simple Restore view, which is the default restoration method, allows you to look at the different modifications that have occurred to objects in the selected backup. So let's say that we want to go to a particular time and determine which of Paul's attributes have actually changed. When you click on the number of attribute changes that have happened to Paul in the selected backup, you'll see two columns. The first column displays the value of the specified attribute in the selected backup, and the other is the value of the attribute in the most recent backup. The backup value shows what value that attribute can be restored to. You can either restore the entire object to the backed up state or restore only the specified attribute. In addition to this Simple Restore view, Recovery Manager Plus also has the Granular Restore view option, in which the current value of an object's attribute is compared with all of its previous values in the selected time range. In Granular Restore view, Recovery Manager Plus provides two different views in which you can compare attribute values: Version view and Attribute view. The Version view lists all the backup versions in which the object has undergone changes, and selecting any version allows you to view the different attributes backed up in that cycle. You can either restore the object to the backed up state, or you can decide only to restore a couple of attributes. The Attribute view lists all the attributes that have had their values modified. When you select a particular attribute, you can compare the different values that the attribute has held over the given time frame. If you want to restore Paul's telephone number, you can easily look at the list of all the telephone numbers that Paul has used previously and restore the correct telephone number. Recovery Manager Plus makes it easy to compare the value of objects' attributes across multiple backup versions and easily restore any undesirable change without requiring a restart of your domain controller.